I mentioned earlier about the balloon dog. It's a very adaptable animal. You can use him to turn into other animals. Well, the bear is the same way. One of the nice things about balloon designs is taking elements from one thing and transforming them into other things. We're going to use our bear's head and transform it into a pussycat. Now, basically, we're going to start everything the same way. We're going to make our chain with the ears and the cheeks and the forehead, just like we did, and lock it at the base. Tuck the nose through and twist our little ears. Now, if we use our imagination a little bit, this bear head could just as easily be a pussycat's head. It's the body that we have to worry about. So we're going to go back to our little dog idea. We're going to make a neck, and we're going to make 2 legs. We're going to make a body, 2 more legs. Now, I was careful to make sure that I had just enough air in the balloon that I was going to leave myself a long tail. Not one of them little ones that puppies have, but a big fluffy one for the cat. And if you wrap it around your finger and give it a little squeeze, we'll get a little bit more character in there as well. Now our teddy bear has transformed into a pussycat. Hey, hi there, Fluffy.